What's this? Hmm? Looking for food? Hmm? Which one you want? Choose one of us. Choose one. These are gifts from Japan. Okay, first, what's this? First we have, can't even read. Oh, when I bought it, there were some English writing. You want this? Okay. Japanese tuna? And Japanese tuna? Or when you want brush teeth? Choose one. Choose one. You have to choose one, Baba. Now how you decide? Let's try this, okay? Hold on. Wow. What's this? Okay. Go back. Go down. Okay. Down. Hold on. Roll, Babas. Roll. Good girl. Okay, go. Having this, I don't know what I mean. But it's good. Crunchy.